Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on withdrawing from an account in the Esperio Broker using the Tether TRC20 method. As you saw, we funded our account with this method and now we intend to withdraw this balance. For this, you need to enter the withdrawal section from the left panel and select the account you wish to withdraw from. As you can see, the available balance for withdrawal is displayed to you in this section. Among the available methods, select the Tether method on the Tron network. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount with this method is 47 euros or $50, and you cannot withdraw more than 1,000 euros in each transaction. You select this method. On the next page, you enter the desired amount for withdrawal in this section. You enter the destination address of your wallet in this section. If you wish, you can enter additional information regarding this withdrawal in this section. After entering the address, you click on the Receive Code option. In some cases, you will receive a call where you need to enter the last 4 digits of this number in this section. And in some cases, you will receive a message containing a code, which you enter in this section, and then click on the Create Request option. Well, as you saw, your withdrawal request was successfully registered, and as stated in this section, withdrawal requests will be processed within 7 business days. To view the details of this transaction, you can enter the Transaction History section from the left panel and view the details of your transaction in the withdrawal section. The processing time for this withdrawal operation is between 1 to 7 business days, and if the broker requires additional documents for your identity verification, it may be indicated in the additional information section that you need to upload these documents and then resubmit your withdrawal request. And as you can see, this operation will be carried out after these details are confirmed. This was the tutorial on withdrawal in the Esperio Broker using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.